Hello, and welcome to Learn English with Stories, your favorite place to practice English in a fun and relaxing way. My name is Sam, and today I'm going to help you improve your English listening, vocabulary, and speaking skills by telling you a simple, clear, and easy to understand story in English. This video is perfect for check mark beginners, check mark intermediate learners, check mark anyone who wants to enjoy English while learning, check mark anyone who finds normal English too fast or too difficult. So, if you want to improve your English step by step and you enjoy listening to short stories, you are in the right place. Why stories? Stories are one of the best ways to learn English. Why? Because stories are interesting. They help you remember words, and they show you how real English is used in real life. When you listen to a story in English, your brain starts to connect. Vocabulary, sentence structure, grammar, emotion, and meaning all at the same time. And because you're listening to a story, not a grammar lesson, you feel relaxed. And when you feel relaxed, you learn faster. So today, we will listen to a simple English story. I will speak slowly and clearly, and you will understand step by step. Here's how this video works. First, I will tell you a short story in slow, clear English. Then, we will review some important vocabulary and phrases from the story. After that, we will practice speaking, repeating some of the sentences together. You don't need a textbook. You don't need to write anything. Just listen, relax, and enjoy the story. You can repeat this video every day to improve faster. You can also pause and repeat after me to practice speaking. Are you ready? Let's begin our story now and learn English in the most natural way, through stories. The story, A New Friend in the Park. Let's begin our story. The story is called A New Friend in the Park. It is a sunny morning. Anna is sitting on a bench in the park. She is reading a book. The park is quiet. Birds are singing. The wind is soft. Anna comes to the park every morning. She likes to read alone. She likes the fresh air. But today, something is different. A small dog runs to her. The dog is brown and white. It has big eyes and a small nose. The dog is friendly. Anna smiles. She loves dogs. She says, "Hello, little dog." The dog barks. Then, a boy runs toward her. The boy says, "Sorry." "That's my dog." Anna laughs. "It's okay," she says. "What's his name?" The boy says, "His name is Max." "He likes people," the boy adds. Anna says, "He is very cute." The boy sits on the bench next to Anna. He is holding Max's leash. They start to talk. The boy's name is Ben. He is 16 years old. He lives near the park. He takes Max for a walk every morning. Anna says, "I come here every morning too." Ben smiles and says, "Maybe we can walk together." Anna agrees. They walk slowly in the park. Max runs around them, happy and free. That day, Anna makes a new friend, and Max is happy too. Vocabulary review and speaking practice. Now let's review some important words from the story. A new friend in the park. I will say each word. I'll explain what it means, and I'll use it in a sentence. You can repeat after me to practice speaking. Let's begin. Word 1. Bench bench. A long seat for 2 or more people, usually found in a park. Repeat after me. Bench, pause. Example. Anna is sitting on a bench in the park. Repeat. Anna is sitting on a bench in the park. Pause. Word 2. Leash leash. A rope or strap used to control a dog. Repeat. Leash. Pause. Example. Ben holds Max's leash. Repeat. Ben holds Max's leash. Pause. Word 3. Bark bark. The sound a dog makes. Repeat. Bark. Pause. Example. The dog barks loudly. Repeat. The dog barks loudly. Pause. Word 4. Cute cute. Something small and nice looking. Repeat. Cute. Pause. Example. Anna says the dog is cute. Repeat, the dog is cute. Pause. Word 5, walk, walk. To move by putting one foot in front of the other. Repeat, walk, pause. Example, Ben walks his dog every morning. Repeat, Ben walks his dog every morning. Pause. Now let's practice some full sentences from the story. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. Anna is reading a book in the park. Pause. Repeat, Anna is reading a book in the park. Pause. A dog runs to her. Pause. Repeat. A dog runs to her. Pause. The boy says, sorry, that's my dog. Pause. Repeat. Sorry, that's my dog. Pause. His name is Max. Pause. Repeat. His name is Max. Pause. They walk together in the park. Pause. Repeat. They walk together in the park. Pause. Very good. You're doing great. Music softens a bit. Let's finish with 3 speaking questions. Try to answer them out loud. You can pause the video if you need more time. Question 1. Do you like dogs? Why or why not? Pause 10 seconds. Question 2. Do you go to the park in the morning or in the evening? Question. Pause 10 seconds. Listening challenge. Fill in the missing words. Welcome to Part 3, the Listening Challenge. Now it's your turn to remember what you learned from the story. A new friend in the park. I will read sentences from the story, but I will leave one word missing. Your job is to listen and say the missing word out loud. Are you ready? Let's begin. Listening Challenge. Round 1, easy level sentence. 1. Anna is sitting on a neto as in the park. Pause, 5 seconds. What's the missing word? Yes, the answer is bench. Anna is sitting on a bench in the park. Sentence 2. A small saya runs to her. Pause, 5 seconds. The answer is dog. A small dog runs to her. Sentence 3. The dog barks and a Baltos runs toward Anna. Pause, 5 seconds. Correct. The answer is boy. A boy runs toward Anna. Sentence 4. The boy says, that's my eye. Pause, 5 seconds. The missing word is dog. That's my dog. Sentence 5. The dog's name is Aden. Is. Pause, 5 seconds. The answer is Max. His name is Max. Short transition sound, slightly upbeat. Listening challenge, round 2, medium level. Now let's try some longer sentences. Sentence 6. Anna says, he is very inuri. Pause, 5 seconds. The word is cute. He is very cute. Sentence 7. Ben holds the dog's. Pause, 5 seconds. The word is leash. Ben holds the dog's leash. Sentence 8. They walk slowly in the marine. Pause, 5 seconds. The answer is park. They walk slowly in the park. Sentence 9. Anna makes a new yilarino. Pause, 5 seconds. The word is friend. Anna makes a new friend. Sentence 10. Max runs around them, happy and. Pause, 5 seconds. The word is free. Max runs around them, happy and free. Part 4. Speaking practice and role play. Now let's practice speaking like the characters from our story. This activity is called role play. That means you will act like one of the people in the story. Let's pretend you are in the park. You will take turns speaking as Anna or Ben. I will say one part, then you repeat the other part. Ready? Let's begin. Scene 1. Meeting in the park narrator. I will be Ben. You will be Anna. Let's go. Ben. Sorry, that's my dog. Your turn. Say, that's okay. What's his name? Pause. 5 seconds. Ben. His name is Max. He likes people. Your turn. Say, he is very cute. Pause. 5 seconds. Ben. Do you come here every morning? Your turn. Say, yes, I like to read in the park. Pause. 5 seconds. Ben. Maybe we can walk together sometime. Your turn. Say, sure, that sounds nice. Pause. 5 seconds. Very good. Scene 2. Now switch roles. Now you will be Ben and I will be Anna. Let's try. Anna. Hello, little dog. Your turn. Say, Sorry, that's my dog. Pause. 5 seconds. Anna, what's his name? Your turn, say, his name is Max. Pause. 5 seconds. Anna, he is very cute. Your turn, say, thank you. He likes people. Pause. 5 seconds. Anna, do you walk here often? Your turn, say, yes, every morning. Pause. 5 seconds. Great job. You are improving your speaking skills. Well done, my friend. You listened to a full story. You learned new words. You practiced speaking. And you even acted out a role play. That is real English practice. And you are doing amazing. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice a little bit every day. And with time, your English will get better and better. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos. And comment below, what was your favorite part of today's story? Or tell me, where are you learning English from? I love reading your answers. Don't forget, you can come back to this video every day. Listen again, repeat again, and grow your fluency, one story at a time. Thank you so much for watching. Keep going, keep growing, and remember, you can do this. See you in the next video.